What's up, everybody? Brian Tong here for an unboxing of what's right next to me, the Mortal Kombat 1 Collector's Edition with AK. And this is exciting because my friends at WB Games, they got me early access. They sent this out. This is $249. You can get them from other retailers, but this is the ultimate Collector's Edition. So should we just get into it, right? Let's just put it down here, put this big boy down here, and you'll see the Mortal Kombat 1 emblem packaging. You see some details, right? The dragons. And on the back side, it breaks down what we expect to get in here. There is a course statue. This is going to be amazing. If I recall right, I have it. There was a scorpion statue by Course a few games back. And you have the game, a steel case. You got this, obviously, this packaging and some other nice goodies inside. So let's just bust it out, okay? Whew. Let's first of all slide this off. It's very nice. You know, you gotta take care of this stuff. Slide it off very nicely and put this back here, okay? And you have like the gold foil. You have the dragons, little gold highlight accent down here. Course's name here, okay? Warning, this is not a toy. This is not a toy. This is a statue. This is a commemorative with a K. I know, commemorative with a K. I can't even talk. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, sick. So this is a poster, like a lithograph. There's a few of them in here. It's Liu Kang. It's the oh, it's a three-piece. It's a three-piece. Unleash the dragon. Oh, that is dope. Can we get all these in one shot? This is kind of crazy. Hopefully the overhead shot gets this. This is sick. Dang. Will I be putting this on my wall for gaming? Because that's so impressive. Love it. Okay. So we got these prints. I guess I'll put them over here on the side. And then we have here the actual game, the premium edition. So this premium edition, I believe it has the early access of Shang Tsung, also the Jean-Claude Van Damme skin, and then the first Kombat pack when it becomes available. Premium edition includes, let's see here, yes, 5 new playable characters, 5 new cameo characters. Oh yeah, all the goodies, all the goodies. Okay, plus 1 week early access if you're watching this and you already got the premium edition, you're already playing. The game officially comes out for the general public on September the 19th. But otherwise, I mean, I've been playing it. If you're watching this, you're probably playing it. You're geeked out about the stuff. And then we have the steel case here. Let's take a look here. Shall I unveil it? Oh, this is sick. The gold printing on that. You know, they've gone for this new aesthetic where it's a little brighter because Liu Kang has created, you know, the new world eons later. Open it up. You have the Zen world, which clearly gets corrupted. And on the back, it comes out as the full dragon. Unleash the dragon. This is sick. Okay, I love this steel case. And I guess we should get to the statue now. Yeah, shall we? Okay, let's take off this foam. I just want to remember so I can pack this back together properly. Put this on the side. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Holy crap. This is freaking amazing. And it's not flimsy. It's got some good weight, some good heft to it. Look at this. I have too many things on this table. Here, let me just show it here on the over the head view. Oh my goodness. Can I make this a little less crazy here? Yeah, let's do it. Okay. Wow. Look at the detail here. This is amazing. Liu Kang and the 2 dragons. Just want to give it a little rotation here just to get you all a good look at this. Look at his back. This is a 16.5-inch statue from Course. Is this incredible? Like, I like how they put a little plastic wrap in here because there's these like two little sharp points where there's plastic wrap. So, you know, you don't want it to get scratched in shipping or anything, but they even put a foam piece here. And then I'm gonna, geez, can I do this with one hand? I don't even know if I can do it with one hand. There we go. Oh, in all its glory. So what you're gonna be able to see is there's glow-in-the-dark details on him also. So I'm just showing you right now what it looks like. And it's where his arms are, and then you'll see in a second. There you go, see it? There's his arm. It's just, the camera's just catching some of that. Oh, sick. This is amazing. Now, I believe this collector's pack also comes with a skin for Liu Kang, inspired from the course design. You also get, I believe, is it 2,700? Is it coins or tokens? It's kind of part of this entire package, but you got the steel case, you got the game. Oh, is it gonna bounce? You got the freaking awesome. I'm a grown man and these are going up on my wall. I'm just telling you that. So thank you so much to WB Games for sending this out. Again, you can order this still today. It's $249.99, the premium edition, the steel case, the statue, the lithograph, the early access content, content with a K. But there you go, Mortal Kombat, September 19th. I'm giddy. Did I almost not say it right? Yeah, Mortal Kombat, baby. Let's go. There's your unboxing. We'll see ya.